Good morning, children. Good morning. In the last class, we have discussed about manufacturing industries, and now this class I will dictate the exercises we discuss regarding the topic. Here, this is for next week, class 8, day 22, 121, subject geography, and the topic is manufacturing industries exercises. That is question answers. That is answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Answer the following. Answer the following questions. So please, children, all of you take down. All of you take down the notebooks and write down the exercises, please. Question answers. I request all the children, please take out the notebooks and write down the question answers for manufacturing industries. The topic is manufacturing industries exercises. Answer the following questions. Number 1. Question number 1. Write down. Write down the answer the following questions. Children, take down. The first question is, what is meant by the term industry? The first question is, what is meant by the term? What is meant by the term industry? I-N-D-U-S-T-R-Y, industry, question mark, underline. That is, what do you mean by industry? Or define the term industry. Okay, and what is meant by the term industry? We can ask anyway. We can write down. Right? Write an answer. What is meant by industry? Answer, write down. Industry refers to, children, all of you write down. Industry refers to an economic activity. Industry refers to an economic activity that is concerned with production of goods. Children, please write down. Industry refers to an economic activity concerned with production of goods, extraction of minerals, or the provision of services, This is what is industry. What is industry? Industry refers to an economic activity concerned with production of goods and extraction of minerals or provision of services. That is the meaning of industry. The second question is, write down the second question. Which are the main factors? The second question is, which are the main factors which are the main factors which influence the location of an industry, which influence the location of an industry. Which are the main factors which influence the location of an industry? Question number 2 is, which are the main factors which influence the location of an industry? Location of an industry. Second question, answer right now. Question number 2, answer. The factors affecting the location of industries. The factors affecting the location of industries are, that means the following factors are affecting the location of an industry. The factors affecting the location of industry are, write down number 1, 2, 3 like that. Number 1, availability of raw material. The first one is availability of raw material. Availability of raw material. Availability of raw material. Number 2, land. Number 2, land. Number 3, water. Availability of raw material. Number 2, land. Number 3, water. Number 4, labor. Number 4, labor. Number 5, power. Power, bracket you write down, electricity. Bracket you write down power, or within bracket you write down electricity. Next one is capital. Capital means money. Capital. Next, transport. And last one is market. Transport and last one is market. The factors affecting the location of industry are availability of raw material, land, water, labor, power, capital, transportation, marketing, etc. So all these factors definitely affecting the location of industry. The following factors affecting the location of industry are: number 1 is availability of raw material, number 2 is land, number 3 is water, number 4 is power, number 5 is market, number 6 is transport, number 7 is money. All these factors are very essential for the location of an industry. Clear? Next question, third question. Which industry is often referred as the, which industry? Write down, third question. Write down children, third question. Which industry Which industry is often referred as the which industry is often referred as the backbone of modern industry, referred as backbone of modern industry. Why? Which industry is often referred as the backbone of the modern industry, and why? Answer is, write down. Steel is often called steel, iron and steel. Write down. Question number 3. Iron and steel. Iron and steel is often called the backbone of the modern industry. Backbone of the modern industry. Backbone of modern industry. Full stop. Almost everything we use. Almost everything we use. Almost everything we use is either made. Either made of iron and steel, or has been made with tools and machinery made with tools and machinery of these metals. Full stop. Ships, trains, trucks and autos are made largely of steel. Ships, trains, trucks and autos are made largely of steel. This is the third question answer. Steel is often called backbone of the modern industry. Almost everything we use is either made of iron and steel or has been made with tools and machineries of these metals. Ships, trains, trucks and autos are largely made of steel. Clear? Next, question number 4. Why cotton textile industry rapidly expanded in Mumbai? Question number 4, write down. Why cotton textiles rapidly grown in Mumbai? Why cotton textiles rapidly grow in Mumbai? That's the question. Why cotton textiles rapidly grown in Mumbai? Answer. Cotton textiles rapidly grown in Mumbai because cotton textiles rapidly grown in Mumbai because Because number one, humid climate. Number one, write down humid climate. Because of the humid climate, pure cotton, humid climate and pure cotton is the answer. Because of the why most of the cotton textiles established in Mumbai, because of the number one is because of the humid climate, and second is pure cotton is the best quality of cotton. Because of these two reasons. Okay, this is